A lot of us are accustomed making meatballs with minced beef, but I wanted to experiment with some minced lamb. In this recipe, I'm using some of the tried and tested flavors for lamb like rosemary and mint, but also incorporating a hint of local with pimento. Time to season up our minced lamb, hitting it with some garlic paste, chopped pimentos, fresh rosemary, fresh mint, salt to taste, smoked paprika, and black pepper. You want to mix this thoroughly and allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. You can make these meatballs as big or as small as you like, but I would recommend choosing one size and sticking to it. So I use 1/3 cup measurement to portion out my minced lamb and form them into balls by hand. I want to add the meatballs to a non-stick pan and allow it to cook for 3 minutes on medium to high heat. Don't add any oil to the pan as there's enough fat content in the meat that will render in the pot. You want to cover the meatballs so that the heat circulates and cooks them right through in the pot. After 3 minutes, flip each meatball to achieve a crust on the other side. Allow to rest for 5 minutes before consuming. And you could go ahead and have these as is, but I'm preparing a curry sauce to go with it. Now we're using the fond in the pot, which are the burnt bits stuck to the bottom to flavor our curry sauce. Add onion and saute until translucent. Then add garlic, masala spice blend, turmeric or saffron powder, and peeled and chopped tomatoes. You can check out our how to peel tomatoes video for an easy tutorial. The liquid from the tomatoes will deglaze all that great flavor stuck to the bottom of the pot. Add coconut milk and saute for 5 minutes. Add fresh mint and season with salt to taste. Now we want to add our curry mixture to a blender and pulse until smooth. Serve with the lamb meatballs and you have a great finger food option that can impress your family and friends at any get-together. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a share, and if you do try it, please post your photos and tag us in it. The full recipe will be on eatahfoodtt.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.